What will the world look like in 2050? It's a date that feels both distant and alarmingly close. We imagine a future more advanced, more connected, but it could also be more dangerous. From cascading climate disasters to the rise of artificial intelligence, the next few decades could bring changes humanity has never experienced. Here are 10 scary things that could happen by 2050, and the last one might already be starting. Number 10. Severe water shortages. 2 billion people already lack safe drinking water today. By 2050, as the global population swells and climate change disrupts weather patterns, that number could grow exponentially. Major cities have already faced day zero scenarios. Fresh water could become one of the most valuable and contested resources on Earth. Number 9. Mass job displacement by AI. Artificial intelligence is evolving faster than predicted. By 2050, it's not just drivers and factory workers. Millions of white-collar jobs, accountants, paralegals, even coders could be automated. While new roles may emerge, the transition could be brutal, forcing a debate on radical solutions like universal basic income just to maintain social stability. At number 8, uninhabitable heat. We're already getting a glimpse of this. The record temperatures we see now are happening with just over 1 degree of warming. By 2050, some regions, particularly around the equator, could become so hot that humans simply cannot survive there. Heat waves will last longer, become more intense, and the urban heat island effect will turn our cities into ovens. This leads to number 7, widespread food shortages. The same extreme heat and water scarcity that threaten us also scorch our farmlands. With a global population projected to hit nearly 10 billion, our food systems will be strained to the breaking point. Declining crop yields and unstable supply chains could lead to soaring prices, malnutrition, and famine on a modern scale. At number 6, sinking cities. As glaciers and ice caps melt at an accelerating rate, our oceans are expanding. By 2050, many of the world's great coastal cities, Miami, New York, Jakarta, could face regular catastrophic flooding. It's not just storm surges, it's sunny day flooding, where high tides inundate neighborhoods. Some low-lying island nations could be wiped off the map. At number 5, the next pandemic. Climate change and global travel create a perfect storm for new diseases. Warmer temperatures expand the range of vectors like mosquitoes, bringing illnesses to new regions. As people are displaced by disasters, they can carry pathogens with them. Future outbreaks could evolve faster and spread more quickly, overwhelming our global health systems. At number 4, the end of privacy. As technology weaves deeper into our lives, the very concept of a private life could vanish by 2050. Imagine a world where everything you do or say is tracked and analyzed by governments and corporations. With wearable tech and internal sensors, your own biometric data could become a commodity, bought and sold without your true consent. At number 3, unpredictable advanced robots. We're not just talking about machines on an assembly line. By 2050, humanoid robots could become general-purpose intelligent entities, outperforming humans in countless tasks. This promises incredible efficiency, but also raises profound questions about control, dependence, and what it means to be human in a world where we are no longer the smartest beings. At number 2, supercharged natural disasters. Climate change is a threat multiplier. It's making storms, floods, and wildfires more frequent, intense, and destructive. By 2050, what we now consider a once-in-a-century event could become a yearly occurrence. These disasters will strain emergency services, bankrupt economies, and displace millions, creating a constant state of crisis. And the scariest thing that could happen by 2050 is number 1, the sheer uncontrollable pace of change. It might not be one single event,
but the convergence of all of them at once. A world where technology, climate, and society evolve so quickly, so chaotically, that our systems of governance and our own ability to adapt can't keep up. The future isn't set in stone, but these aren't distant sci-fi scenarios. They are projections based on trends happening right now. The choices we make today, as individuals and as a global community, will shape what 2050 looks like. The real question is, are we ready for what's coming?